Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to talk about the trend. Okay, so in this session we are going to talk about the trend and how we need to analyze the market according to the trend, then how we can take the trades. So the first thing you need to do is, okay, let me zoom out the chart. Okay, so if you analyze this market, you can see from this point to this point to this point, you can see market is moving like this. Okay, so what you need to analyze here, the question arises that what you need to analyze here. So if you want to analyze the market here, so what you need to do, you need to see here one thing that, let me show you here. Okay, this is the previous reversal, then this is the reversal, then this is the reversal. Now what happened here, you can see market broke this level, so it means that now this uptrend is not the uptrend for this area. Okay, so if I'm talking about only this area, so if we see that this is the area, okay, let me take a trade here in a down direction. Okay, so now as I told you here one thing, that the trend was this one. You can see every level is above from the previous level, but now there is no level, but it broke this area, so it means that now the level shifted here, so it means that now the level is here. So therefore I took my trade, and now this is the level, this is the area, seller's area, so therefore I took my trade here in a down direction. So I think it is not that much difficult for you all to understand. It is super easy, it is easiest way to analyze the market here. Now what you are seeing here, you are seeing here that the trend shifted here from this point. You can see now there is no high point, it is a low point, so market is trying to make a lower low. So at this time, therefore I took my trade in a down direction, because I told you market is not following these steps here, number 1, number 2, number 3, so there is no number 4. It is a breakout of this area, so therefore market came down. You can see if I draw the line here, okay, now you can see here exactly from this point market reversed. But what happened here, it was a level, so market closed exactly at the level, so it means that now again market is following the uptrend. Okay, so why I took my trade here, because market broke this area, it closed here, this is the level, and therefore I went with the bearish one. Why? Because you can see the same situation here. Let me draw it completely. You can see, let me change the color, now you can see this is the seller's area, market closed exactly here. This is the buyer's area, market closed exactly here. So it means that this candle gave me a little indication that you can see this low is telling me that if the market closes next time at the level, so market will come down again. So now you can see market came down and I took my one trade here. So whenever you want to take your trades, you need to analyze the market like this. Let me show you here. The first point, the second point, the third point. Now you can see what does it mean. It means that market will follow this kind of situation here. So again, same situation in this area, market closed in between the levels. I took my trade here, and now you can see I won this trade. So let me show you here another chart. Okay, so now if I ask you that what is the trend, what you need to do is, you can see here it is an up movement. Okay, now retracement candles, again up movement, again retracement candle. So it means that your trend is an uptrend. Again retracement candle, it means that your trend is an uptrend. Now if you analyze the market here from this point, you can see market went down. So I am not seeing any kind of this situation here. So it means market is making lower low here. So what happened? Market went up, again came down. So again this is a ranging market. Okay, so this is a ranging market. So now if you analyze this market here, it is a totally ranging market. So market is trying to make a situation for itself, either to go with the buyers or with the sellers. So now if you analyze the market here, I can easily go here with the sellers. Okay, if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction, because for me this candle has to close as a bearish. So I'm waiting for a good entry point. I'm late, so therefore I'm not taking any kind of risky trade. Okay, so I have taken my trade here. Now if you analyze the market here, what I'm seeing here that you can see this is the level. So market closed exactly at the level. This is a ranging market. So in this scenario, I can easily go here with the sellers. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction, and now you will see we will definitely win this trade. So this is the way to take your trades according to the trend. So you can see, I want to explain this again. This was an uptrend. It was an uptrend. Market is making higher highs. You can see market is making higher high, and it is not breaking any lower point of this area. So this level is lower than the high. Okay, so now you can see again this level is lower than the previous high. So therefore you can see market is moving like this. But now from this point I want to change the color. You can see what happened here. Okay, so what happened here? The question arises now, what kind of trend we are facing? Now we are facing a bearish momentum, and this bearish momentum broke this area, it broke this area, it broke this area. So it means that now market is not following the higher high movement. Market is not following this higher high movement. So it means we need to think about that how to take the trades. So let me show you here again what happened here in this situation. What happened? market is making the retracement candle, again went down. But now at this time, if you analyze the market again went up. So from this point again market came down, because this is the seller's area. So again market went up. So again, if you expect that the next candle will be a bearish, so it will be a risky. Why? You need to analyze this thing. You can see here, this is the new high. This is the new high. Market is making a new high. So therefore now the sellers are here. So if the sellers are here, then where is the level? So now you can see, if I draw the lines here, you can see here this is the level. So therefore I took one trade in a down direction, and you can see I won this trade easily. So now at this time, if you analyze the market again, okay, if you analyze the market here again, so now what I am seeing here, I am seeing here a uptrend movement. Now you can see overall the trend is an uptrend, the minor movement is also an uptrend. Market is making higher highs, so therefore we can trust this area. Now market is exactly at the level. So at this time, can I go here with the sellers? So in this situation we can go here with the sellers. You can see this is the level, and you can see market close exactly at the sellers, because this is a strong sellers area. From this point what I am seeing here a momentum, I am seeing here a strong rejection, and I am seeing here a reversal candlestick. So therefore you can easily take your trade here. So this is how you can easily take your trades. So in this video I talked about the trend. And I showed you here how to identify the trend, So if you want to learn properly, you need to focus on these things. So today's topic was only about that how we can use the trend so. And here I only used one thing. I used here uptrend explanation and uptrend market movement. So the trend was an uptrend, and I took my trade according to the situations. So always try to choose these things. If the market is making this movement, it means that trend is an uptrend. Okay, because it is making higher highs. Okay, these are the higher highs, and you need to avoid your trading in these zones. Let me show you here. You need to avoid your trading in these zones, because trend is an uptrend and these are the retracement candles. Don't go with the retracement candles, follow the trend. And if I am taking my trades, I explained you that what kind of levels I am seeing here. I predict 3 candles here. I predict here this candle, I won. I predict here this candle, I won. Again you can see market closed here at the level, again market went up, so I also I can easily predict this one. So you can see here I predict this candle. Why? You can see here candles came down, but now at this time candle closed exactly at the level, so therefore I took my trade here in a down direction. So in today's topic I explained you all that how to let me how to learn an uptrend. Okay, so I explained you all this thing today. So if you want to learn it clearly, you need to learn the movement of the market. And now you can see market is making every time higher highs, so therefore market is going up. So again you can easily see that the movement of the market is in up direction. So now you can see here again market went up, higher high, again market went up, higher high, again market broke this area, so it means there is no need to consider this area right now. But now again after this level, up movement, up movement, again up movement, but now there is a bearish candle. So what you need to do, avoid to take your trade here, no need. Okay, so there is no need. So first try to learn this uptrend, it will help you. Then I'm going to make another video with a downtrend, and I will try to explain you all what I know, and it will be an easy scenario for you all to learn the things which I am trying to tell you all. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and you can join my channel Trading Skills. The link is in the description, and I will try to help you all in a best manner. So you need to learn each and everything, because your money is everything for you, your learning is everything for you. So first try to learn, then go for the trades, and you need to learn each and everything. Okay, so now again I want to share you here one thing. You can see, as I told you, you need to avoid this area, because now the trend is trying to shift in a down direction. Now you can see market closed here, this is the level, so therefore we can also expect here a buyer's entry. You can see here, let me show you here, this is the level. You can see here market closed exactly at the level. This is a reversal candlestick, so market can go up from this point. You can see again market is trying to go up, so it is easy for you all to understand. So have a blessed weekend ahead, and bye for now. Stay safe and try to learn what I am trying to tell you all, and try to help each other. So stay blessed guys, bye for now.